In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and subtract multiple cells in Excel. Let's open a document. This is a multi-column table that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to add the opening stock with purchases and returns, then subtract the sales. If you want to do it one by one, it will take you a huge amount of time. But by using formulas, you can do it pretty quickly. Select a cell, type equals. Select the opening stock cell, add a plus sign, and select the purchase cell. Add another plus sign and select the return cell. Now add a minus sign and select the sales cell. Our formula is complete. Now press Enter on your keyboard. Our first row answer is calculated. Now select the answer and bring your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. When the plus sign becomes smaller and bolder, double-click on it. It will calculate the rest of the rows according to our formula. Here, our calculation is complete.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.